What is a Springboard Family Workshop? A professional development video from Springboard Collaborative. At Springboard Collaborative, we believe that a parent's love for their child is the single greatest and most underutilized resource in education. The Family Workshop is how we harness this powerful resource, and you, by hosting the Family Workshop, help make family engagement a key ingredient in Springboard's success. The Family Workshop is a place for families to come in and try out the reading strategies they will implement at home. You are there to guide them and support them as they learn how to better coach their young readers. The Family Workshop is not a passive lecture or a presentation. We want families metaphorically rolling up their sleeves and getting to work. From the beginning of the workshop, you can set an interactive tone by talking with families, not just to families. Each workshop opens with you welcoming families and orienting them to how the day's reading tip fits into Springboard's overall reading strategy of asking questions before, during, and after reading. Because you want to get to that reading tip quickly, you'll take just a moment to make sure everyone has everything they need, including the Family Workshop packet. Then you'll share a brief reading tip with families. Each reading tip is broken down into 3 or 4 specific action steps. In some workshops, families can watch a short video of real families modeling the reading tip in real homes. If a video isn't available, you might briefly model or invite families to role play or brainstorm with each other ways to implement the reading tip or share experiences. Remember, the families have expertise to add to the workshop too. Next comes the heart of the Family Workshop time. As children and adults practice the reading tip together, you circulate and provide one-on-one support. During this time, be sure to check in with families about their child's individualized student action plan. We want families to walk away confident that they can implement the weekly reading tip and effectively use the student action plan as their child's at-home literacy coach. Practice time should be the bulk of the Family Workshop time. Finally, families have a chance to reflect on what they learned and ask additional questions. Don't skip this step because the Family Reflection Forum provides valuable feedback that you can revisit during the Professional Learning Community meeting. You'll also have a chance to take care of any logistics like computer login passwords or perhaps book distribution. The Springboard Family Workshop helps turn struggling readers into Springboard scholars. As you work collaboratively with the families of your students, you will see what a powerful team you can be.